Welcome to our tutorial on how to sum values between two dates. We have dates in the first column and revenues in the second column. Apply the SUMIFS function to get the revenue between these two specific dates that I have defined right here. OK. Type SUMIFS and add the first argument, which is the sum range. Use the Ctrl-Shift-Down shortcut to jump to the bottom of the dataset. Press F4 to lock the range. Type a comma and add the second argument, which is the criteria range. Select the range that contains dates, then fix it using the F4 key. Now add the criteria. I'm using the greater than or equal to sign here. Don't forget to use quotation marks. If you want to combine text with a cell reference, you need to use an and sign here. Finally, add the start date. I want to sum the revenues until this date, so I need to add a second criteria. We recently added the sum range, so we need to add the second criteria range and the second criteria only. Select the date range. Lock the range using the F4 key. Then, add the criteria. I'm using the less than or equal to sign here between two quotation marks. Now, add the end date using an end sign. Press Enter and copy the formula down. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.